All right, language explorers. So let's look at major. A part of something that is most important. Here is the country. That is a major city. We went to a major city. We're digging a major tunnel through or under this area. Yeah. We spoke to the major stakeholders, for example, the most important people. He is the major decision maker in the tunnel. They are the they are the major decision makers here. Yes. They have a major part to play in the movie. Most important part. Yeah. How cool is that? We saw the major incident. We saw our major incident last night. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. That was the last major city I went to. The last major city. Big cities. I've been to other major cities, but that was the last one I went to. We're going to another major city. I have planned to go to a major country in the future. Like a big country. An important one in the future. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so these are the major parts of the story. So we have a story. So these are the major events, the major chapters of the story. I have the major parts of the story written up already. Yeah, the major parts. Everything else is small or minor. I will have to write the major events in the novel now. Yes. I am planning the novel, and these major parts need to be included. The major parts in the beginning, middle, and end. They have to be included. How cool is that? So, major. A major tunnel, major city, major route, major technology. A major invention that will change everything. So, can you use major in a sentence, language explorers? Can you write it in the comments below and like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come, and you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that? So, let's keep exploring.